Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I will show you how to fix file error, the error that you get when you try to open an image on Windows 10. So let me show you how it looks. When I try to open this image, I'm getting this error, file system error 21474163359. I don't know what kind of error is this. This must be because of some licensing problem with Windows. I'm not sure. So I'm getting this problem with all the images and media in the Windows 10. So let's fix it. So first of all, to fix this, you need to go to your search and open the run option. And here you need to search for services.msc, hit enter. And this will open all the Microsoft services that you have on your system. Navigate all the way to Microsoft. It's not Microsoft, I'm sorry. It's Windows License Manager. Here it is. Right click and go to Properties. And in the Properties, make sure that you change this startup type to manual. And click on Apply and then OK. And after a restart, this should fix your problem. There you go. It's fixed before even restarting the system. So that's how you fix this error. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.